Ever scrolled through social media and seen those flashy ads promising you can become a millionaire by just clicking a button? Yeah, me too. The truth is, making money online takes work, strategy, and often a little bit of initial investment. That's where fintech apps like Vivid come in. They promise a new way to manage your money, but how exactly do you get your hard-earned cash into Vivid? That's what we're here to explore today. Understanding Vivid, not your typical bank. First things first, Vivid isn't your traditional bank. It's a financial app that partners with established banks to offer features like investing, cashback rewards, and budgeting tools. This means you won't find a physical branch or ATM with the Vivid logo. So, how do you fund your Vivid account? There are actually a few ways to add money to your Vivid account, and the best method for you depends on your personal situation. Here's a breakdown of the most common options. Bank transfer, ACH. This is a free and convenient option for most users. You can link your external bank account to Vivid and initiate a transfer directly within the app. Transfers may take a few business days to clear, so keep that in mind. Debit card deposit. Linking your debit card allows for instant deposits, which is great for situations where you need immediate access to your funds in Vivid. However, some banks may charge a fee for using a debit card for transfers, so be sure to check your bank's policy before going this route. Paycheck direct deposit. Want to streamline your finances? Set up direct deposit with your employer to have a portion of your paycheck automatically deposited into your Vivid account. This is a fantastic way to ensure you're consistently contributing to your financial goals within the app. Important considerations, limits, and processing times. Vivid does have some limitations on deposit amounts. These limits can vary depending on your account type and verification status. It's always best to check the Vivid app directly for their current deposit limits. Processing times for deposits can also vary depending on the method you choose. Bank transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, while debit card deposits are usually instant. The bottom line, Vivid makes funding easy and free. While Vivid doesn't have the traditional bank features like physical branches or ATMs, it offers several convenient ways to fund your account, most of them free of charge. Whether you choose a bank transfer, debit card deposit, or direct deposit, you can easily move your money into Vivid to take advantage of its financial tools and rewards programs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.